dear second class children, welcome to maths class. Continuation of second chapter, addition of two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers. Before going to today's class, once we are going to revise in previous class. Okay? See, first of all, what are one-digit numbers? Yes, 1 to 9. What is the smallest? 1. What is the greatest? 9. Coming to two-digit numbers, what is the first two-digit number? Yes, 10. 10 is the smallest two-digit number and 99 is the greatest two-digit number. Yes or no? Here we are going to start addition of two-digit numbers. When we are going to addition of two-digit numbers, once we are going to revise how to add one-digit numbers also. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. Very good. Plus. This is the plus. Spelling is P-L-U-S. What is the result of addition? Total. T-O-T-A-L or S-U-M, sum. Find the total. Find the sum. Both are same. That means we are going to add the given numbers. In previous class, I taught you without regrouping. That means simple additions. Those are we are going to do like this. See, 6 plus 3. Examples. 12 plus 36. 3 plus 4 plus 2. We are going to do like this, no? 30 plus 45. These all are going to examples. See, first one, 6 plus 3, one-digit numbers. Take up number or down number, no problem. Take 6 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the total. Here we are going to put together 6 and 8 is 3. 6 and 3 make 9. Next, 12 plus 36. 12 plus 36, both are two-digit numbers. Ones place, tens place. Two-digit means the number having two places. Adding first ones. Start addition from ones place. Take 2 fingers, 6 after 7, 8. Write in the ones place. Now adding tens, 1 plus 3. Number plus 1 after number of given number. Here given number is 3. 3 after 4. Now total is 48. Come to this. 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 lines addition. First adding these 2. After going to third number. 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. Once again. First adding these 2 numbers. 3 and 4 make 7. Take 3 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers, 7 after 8, 9. What is the total? 9. Now come to here. 30 plus 45. Both are two-digit. Adding ones first after tens. 0 plus 5. Number plus 5, same number. Same number means 5. Now 3 plus 4. Take 3 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7. We get 75 is the total. Another one. 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6. Ones place, tens place. 11 is two-digit number. 6 is one-digit number. One-digit number always write in ones place only. If you are writing like this, your addition is wrong. This is common mistake. Don't write like this. 6 means one digit. One digit number write in the ones place only. Don't arrange the addition like this. Okay? Now 1 plus 6. Number plus 1. 6 after 7. Bring down 1. The total is 17. The total is 17. Another example. 15 plus 20 plus 32. 15 plus 20 plus 32. fast. Then go to tens column. 5 plus 0, same number 5. Yes or no? 5 plus 0, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. Otherwise, take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. Do directly. 0 means nothing. Leave 0 and add these two numbers. 5 and 2 makes 7 right in the ones place. Now come to tens place. 1 plus 2. 2 after 3. 3 in the mind. Again take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. Once again. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. What is the total? 67. Another one. 10 plus 20 plus 30. Ones place, tens place. Ones place having all are 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 means right 0 only. Now adding tens. 1 plus 2, 3. And take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. What is the total? 60. Another example. Can I show another example? Okay. In the given numbers are 2-digit numbers. First adding ones. Next go to tens. Yes or no? You have to remember in the mind. In addition, start from ones place. Another example. 23 plus 41 plus 30. See, ones place, tens place. 3 plus 1, 4. No need to add 0. Write 4 in the ones place. Now come to tens place. First add these two numbers. 2 plus 4. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. What is the total? 94. 23 plus 41 plus 30, we get 94. Now, I show you another concept. Examples. Ready now? See. 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6. Which addition is correct in arrangement? Yes, first one is correct, second one is wrong. This is common mistake. Don't write like this. One digit number always should be in the ones place. What is the given addition? 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6. 14 is 2-digit number. 6 is 1-digit number. Start addition from ones place. 4 plus 6. Take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. We get 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. 10 is a 2-digit number. Ones place means 1 to 9 or 0. 1 to 9. Only write in the ones place. 10 is a 2-digit number. That's why right side 10 having 0 and 1. These are ones. These are tens. Ones place number is 0. 0 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. This is tens place. 1 carry forward to ones place. We write this one above this one. Okay. Now add. Here we get another one. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 right in the tens place. Now what is the total? 20. What is the total? 20. Another example. 15 plus 7. 15 is 2-digit number. 7 is 1-digit number. Adding ones first, then go to tens place. Go for ones, T for tens. Take 5 in the that means take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. Right side. It has 1 10 and 2 ones. 2 is in the ones place. That 2 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. 1 carry forward to and 1 make 2. Another example. Are you understood? Okay. 28 plus 6. This is ones, this is tens. First adding ones. 8 plus 6. Come on. Same process. Take 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much we got it? Get it? 14. 14 is a 2-digit number. Right side. It has 1, 10, 4 ones. Ones number is 4. 4 right in the ones place. 1 carry over to tens. This is tens place. Write this one above 2. Top of 2. Okay, and circle that. Now in the tens place we have 2 and 1. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. 3. What is the total? 34. Another example. Are you understood the process? Very good. 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7. Again, first number is 2-digit number. Second number is 1-digit number. Adding ones, then go to tens. Take 6 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. Right side. 3 is in the ones place. 3 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. 1 carry to tens place. That means this one right above 3. Now add 3 and 1. 3 and 1 make 4. What is the total? 43. Another example. 28 plus 34. Both are 2-digit numbers. 28 plus 34. Adding ones, then go to tens. These are ones, these are tens. Addition start every time from ones place. Same process. Take 8 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. Right side. 1, 10, 2 ones. Ones place number. Right in the ones place. Tens place number 1. Carry to tens place. Carry to tens place right above 2. Now we have here 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. First add these 2 numbers. 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2. Take 1 finger. 2 after 3. 3 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. What is the total? 62. Another example. Very easy, Nana. Another example. 53 plus 29. 53 plus 29. Adding ones, then go to tens. Same process. Take 3 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. Right side. 2 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. This is tens place. Write this one above 5. Circle this number. Now 1 plus 5 plus 2. 1 plus 5 plus 2. Take 1 finger. 5 after 6. 6 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 82. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 82. Another example. 66 plus 28. 66 plus 28. First adding ones. These are ones. These are tens. Same process. Take 6 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We get 14. 6 plus 8. 14 is a number right side. It has 1 10 4 ones. Ones number right in the ones place. Tens number carry to tens place. Here 1 is there. Carry 1 to tens place. Circle this number. Now 1 plus 6 plus 2. Now here there are 3 numbers. 1 plus 6 plus 2. 1 plus 6 7. 6 after 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8 9. Total is 94. 1 plus 6 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8 9. What is the total? 94. Another example. Are you understood the concept? Very good. 75 plus 15. 75 plus 15. Ones place, tens place. 5 plus 5. Very good. 10. Super. Take 5 fingers. 5 after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 right side. 10 is a 2-digit number, isn't it? 0 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place, right above 7. Circle the carried number. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Very good. Take 1 finger, 7 after 8. 8 in the mind. Again take 1 finger, 8 after 9. Here you have to remember concept. Number plus 1 next number. 7 after 8, 8 after 9. 90. Another example. Ready now? Okay. 48 plus 38. 48 plus 38. Ones, tens. First adding ones. 8 plus 8. Same process. Take 8 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is a 2-digit number. Right side. 6 is in the ones place. Right 6 in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. Now 1 plus 4. Very good. 5. 1 plus 4. 5. 5 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. These are the regrouping. And that means carry over. Carry the tens place number. Okay, we get 2-digit number. Ones place number right in the ones place. Tens place number carry forward to tens place. Here 1 plus 4 plus 3. Understood the concept? Okay, Nana. You have to practice simple addition and carrying addition both in the rough notes. Take your mother's help and 1-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers, simple addition and carry over addition. Okay, and learn tables from 2 table to 7 table. 2 table to 7 table. Take care. Thank you very much. Bye.